next lap. Oh, man.
After 30 seconds, the top drivers are Ollie, Andrew, and Nick. After 1 minute, the top drivers are Ollie, Andrew, and Nick.
Larry just went over there making sure I'm handling the pole right. Did that make you the pole inspector?
After 1 minute 31 seconds, the top drivers are Ollie, Andrew, and Nick. After 2 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Ollie, Andrew, and Nick.
Alright, if they don't move, just push them out of the way, Ollie.
Ollie said, horn to throat, watch your finger.
3 laps left. 2 laps left. Final lap. Ollie done. Andrew done.